Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change Instagram username. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Now open up your Instagram application and you'll be appear with the home page of Instagram. Now go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now it will take you to your profile section. So in order to change your Instagram username, what you can do is tap on the edit profile option. Now here you can see your username right here. So if you want to edit it, you can just go ahead and tap on it and clear your name, like just in case. Clear your name and write down the new name that you like to add and save the changes, and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more